Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. Just the other day I got a request to do a new sling bag unboxing, and I already had one on the way home when I got that request. Another one from Alpaka Gear that I think will solve my needs for a sling bag. Let me explain. So the point with this Fly Sling Pro 2.5 liter is that it has a pocket for water bottles, and you don't travel with water bottles. Yeah, maybe if it's empty, but I like the idea to have a water bottle with me daily in the summer, and you can have a small umbrella in there instead as well. So let me show you my needs for it. I have an older one that I don't think I've ever used, maybe once. And this one has the pocket, let me show you, 4 water bottles underneath. And yeah, it works fine. It's just that it's bulky. Now it's absolutely empty. So the bulkiness is to protect, yeah, I even have this, is to protect whatever is inside, but I've never used it. I just think it's too bulky. So the Flight Sling Pro has a similar pocket, even better I think, and are slim when it's not filled with things. And 2.5 liters is just enough. So to start with showing you the water bottle pocket. All right, so it goes right through, and I was wondering about just that because I don't think I like this, but if you are going to carry an umbrella, this might be what you need. And for my need, why I want something like this is because the only reason when I carry a larger sling bag with me is when I'm on car shows and doing interviews. Then I want to have my mics with me. That is small, that is easy. But I also want to have at least one tripod with me, selfie stick tripod. So what I want to be able to do is to lock this in so it won't slide out when I'm walking with it. But it is actually good enough. So let me put the strap on, and this will be better because it will get stuck. But let me put the strap on and show you what it looks like on. But yeah, I can show you the whole thing. Okay, so we have a pocket on the back side. I like that for passport and more personal things. This time with a zipper. I think that minor Flight Sling, it doesn't have a zipper on the back side. Just an open pocket with a magnet. Yeah, but that works just fine. On the inside we have a filtered pocket for your gaming thing, whatever it's called. The strap, and we have a mesh pocket and the large pocket. And on the outside we have a water protected zipper with a key holder and quite a large pocket. So it might even be too big for my needs because the only thing I want to have with me is this. But let's try it on. I like these quick connects. You just do like that. And if you want to open it, like that. I like those. So I will probably not have this one with me, but just to show you, I could wear it like that, and I can wear it like that, and maybe tighten it a bit more. You see, it won't fold up, but I wouldn't go jog with it. And to show you what is really made for having there, a water bottle, and tighten it. Yeah, I like this. I saw that they had one in blue as well, so I'm going to get me one in blue. Maybe then I will do a giveaway of this one. Yes, this is how I'm going to use it. With the selfie stick tripod, with my mics, with my phone. Yeah, this is what I've been needing. Right. As usual, Alpaka knows what I need and fix it without me asking for it. I have a Shopify link that gives you some kind of discount. I don't remember if it's 10% or 15% or if it's different on different items, but check the link in the description if you want to order Alpaka things with a discount. This one costs $79. And yeah, I like it. I'm absolutely going to get me one in blue. I like it. I was a little bit afraid, as usual, because their models, I don't know if they're smaller than me or what it is, but I thought it was going to be like this big. This size is just fine. Just fine. And when I'm not using it with a water bottle or a sling bag, then it's just flat like that. All right. Let me know what you think about it. I'm going to order the blue one as fast as possible. And this will be my summer sling just because I want to have mics, phone, one of the tripods, and I could probably fit a water bottle as well. Yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Check the link in the description for a discount link. Yeah.